Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Rotten Russ and you're watching Rotten Metal Garage. Welcome back to the channel guys. Got a couple good updates. I was able to bolt the lower subframe to the tower. If you can see underneath right here, I'll be able to box this to the bottom of the frame rail. Only thing I'm gonna have to do is cut here so it'll sit flush on my perches for my radiator core. So let's go ahead and get into that right here. If anybody's wondering, if you go back to the original first video that I posted about this whole concept, the front of the oil pan sits right here and your first pulley is like right above this hole on the subframe. So as long as that doesn't surpass this, I can still get the stock radiator on this bar right here. There it is. Chopped it off. Now I gotta go to work. But yeah, I'll pick this up later.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Just got off work. Got those sitting pretty flush. Got the front subframe bolted in, and just did some measurements. So from the tower bolt to tower is 39. I used my Challenger as measurement. Fender to fender is 5 foot. From that hole to this hole, which is where the hood shocks go, are 57.5. So literally this thing bolted in, not welded or anything, is identical to the car. So in theory, if I get this back strut bar and move this up about 1 inch to clear this, everything should bolt up. This is crazy. But unfortunately, this is all I could do for tonight. I'm gonna see if this weekend, if I can't find one of the strut bar, tower bars, whatever, the one that goes right up against the firewall in the car. And if it does, I'm gonna just go ahead and start cleaning these up and welding them in, boxing everything. Unfortunately, there's not a lot I could do right now, but what I am going to do is go ahead and just mock up the radiator core and see how, with it sitting where it's at now, I'm going to mock the fenders up as well. So let's do that. Alright guys, so I think that's gonna do it for the night, but it looks pretty good. Yo. So, just a update. I got the upper control arms. They're now mounted. I have my boxing plates getting ready to be welded up. I don't want to weld those until I have everything where I want it, and these are welded in. Here I'm gonna use this, cut the ends off, use the L-shaped bracket like so, and then this will be the back part. This will be welded to the top of the frame, and that gives me a place to weld this corner into the frame rail. So literally it'll go from boxed frame to the top, welded to this. Underneath will be a plate that goes from the bottom of this to the bottom of the frame rail. And then as you can see, I cleaned that up, gave it a little paint. But yeah, we're moving along. Doesn't look like a whole lot's changed, but right now I'm waiting for the motor mounts to come in, and the bar is ordered. I'm just waiting for that to come in as well. Once I get the top bolted in, the subframe flush with the frame rail, then I'm gonna start welding all this in. But as of right now, that's mostly all I can do. Slow, but I'm getting there. And there it is. One last dealio for this here video. So, got the bar in. Obviously that sets my gap on the top. Bolted into the subframe on the bottom. As you could tell, well, you probably can't tell from before, but see, now I got a gap here where before they were sitting. See how this one's sitting on the rail? So obviously there's still going to be some adjustments needed, but it is Sunday and I gotta work tomorrow, so this is probably gonna wrap up my video for the weekend. So yep, remember, if you guys want to see me finish this, hit that subscribe button. Yep, peace.